Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my very first podcast. So, today we have a guest who is my childhood friend. Her name is Maitreyi Dadpe and she is going to share us her experience of her 10 days Manali trek. तुम्ही खाली वाचलंच असेल डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये. सो चालू करायला आपण सर्वात आधी आपण तिची एक कविता ऐकूया.
This is a poem about Father's Day. When I'm frightened or in pain, on my lips will be your name. When I see your lovely face, your smile will light up every face. When I see you work, I feel proud of you. My dad is the one I salute to. You are so bright, you drive dark away. So I wish you a happy Father's Day.
Wow, nice poem. So आता आपण क्वेश्चन्सला पुढे बघूया. So Maitreyi, since when did you get interested in trekking?
I got interested in trekking when I joined the institute called GGIM. Which has an educational institute for kids from 10 to 16.
Wow. So what are the safety measures you take?
Mostly my instructors carry first aid kits with them, so if anything happens they can immediately do first aid. But also we have to wear helmets and safety gear while doing rock climbing or such activities.
So can you give the viewers some tips on mental and physical preparation for long trek?
For physical preparation, I have to exercise daily, so then in the trek I don't get any cramps. And as for mental preparation, you have to keep going. You have to stay alive and have fun.
So, how has trekking influenced your life or perspective of your life?
Mostly we children are used to luxurious things, but because of camping we are getting used to living in tents, doing with whatever we doing good with whatever we have, lighting bonfires, etc., etc. But before I used to hate insects, and even if I see the insect I'm not going to live in this house, but now I'm got used to.
Wow. So what advice would you give to someone who is considering taking up trekking?
I would give them advice that follow your passion, follow your heart, because the mountains are waiting.
So how or where can someone start their trekking journey?
They can start their trekking journey by practicing small, simple practices like going on simple hills and trekking there, climbing up stairs in the balcony, or etc., etc.
Can you share some common mistakes new trekkers make and how to avoid them?
New trekkers mostly give up so easily that it's like they hardly walk some distance and they are stopping, which is very bad because they are not realizing that we should not give up. So I have had experiences like this. When I first started trekking, I used to get tired very easily and I decided to eventually quit. But it doesn't help like that. You just have to keep going, trudging on, whatever happens.
Are there any treks you're planning or dreaming of doing in the future?
Yes, I dream of climbing the Everest when I grow up.
Wow. Is there anything else you'd like to share with our listeners about trekking or your personal experiences?
It's a fun experience actually, and me and my best friend once went trekking somewhere and there we found many sticks lying everywhere, and we decided to start a study called stickamology. We actually tasted the flesh of this stick to find out if the sticks could be used for any more purposes.
Nice experience. So I guess that's it for today. नाईस मीटिंग यू मैत्रीण. सो तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. तुम्हाला पॉडकास्ट कसा वाटला ते कमेंटमध्ये सांगा आणि अजून मी असं करत राहील. सो दॅट्स इट फॉर टुडे. बाय.